Hello beautiful and welcome to Makeups! That is right, everyone's favorite Makeups goddess is back for a one-time reprisal. I am here for one video. Buckle up, buttercup! Because Pilof is back. So it has almost been a full 731 days since Pilof has first popped onto everyone's screens and really blessed them with her beautiful makeups, her beauty, her intelligence, just all of her immaculate mess. So I thought, let us not go back down memory lane and really dive back into the video and recreate the video that made all of this happen. Yes!
Hello and welcome to makeup. First tip, concealer. Concealer covers sin. Pilof has lots of sin. Then find eye chalk. Find natural color. You naturally beautiful. Enhance natural. I naturally want to be flamingo. Then blend like it is Olympic event. Add glitter. Enemies are blinded by your beauty and in the sunlight because of shiny. Highlight important sections. Resist urge to highlight entire face. Take ink to eyelid. Wing it like everything in your life. Time for torture. Eye feathers. Ooh. Waited patiently. I don't understand. Is stuck. Convince the world you've seen the sun at least once in your lifetime. Highlight again. Paint lips. You are done. Don't forget to look sexy.
So for this video, I'm going to be recreating the TikTok whilst making this YouTube video. So it is kind of going to be like a Leonardo DiCaprio kind of situation in Inception, except with social media platforms. Do you catch Pilof drift? Plus, over 2 years, my makeup skills have gotten so much better. So this is going to be so much more immaculate and just... So I remember coming into the video like, hello. Okay, can she do it? Hello and welcome to Makeups. Excellent. Okay, we have first part down. Okay, so now that that is done, we just have to put on some scene sticks. We have to make ourselves look like a bit of a crazy crow. Actually, no, since then I've started doing foundations first. So I'm going to do foundations. That way we get a beautiful little base for all... That is the wrong color. If I'm trying to show people that I've gotten better at makeups, if I'm going to use a foundation, which I have not used on TikTok in quite a long time, I should at least use a color similar to my face. Otherwise, I'm just going to look like an egg. And then we're just going to rub-a-dub-dub into our skin until she is all perfect. Oh, my sunburn is also starting to peel. Love that for me. Now that that is on, we need to get the scene sticks. We need to put that over our eyes. I film all out of sequence. It makes sense in final product. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to bend down so that I can meet the positioning of the phone. There is foundation in my hair. Get out. First step, concealer. Concealer covers sin. Pilof has lots of sin. This is looking so good! We're only up to like first step! It is really hard to condense down everything into 1 minute for TikToks, especially when it comes to makeup tutorials. So like I need to do most of the steps like off camera, but make it look like they're done on camera. Magic. That is why this YouTube channel is the best to be subscribed to if you want to see how to do actual steps, because I actually do them on camera and I don't like illusion them. But Pilof is a makeups goddess and a makeups magician, so like no one is surprised that she is able to create makeups illusions. Not the like really cool 3D ones yet, but I really want to experiment with that one. She just looks like all kinds of fun. She's the kind of girl that you want to party with. Like on your face while you're dancing, and then people are like, what is that optical illusion kind of happening on the dance floor right now? Dropping it low to some T-Pain. But now that this is all on, we are on to the next part of the video. So the next part of the video, oh, she was a little bit saucy because I set the audience up to think that I was going to go one way with something, and then I take a really sharp left turn, and then all of a sudden we are bright and pink. Then find eye chalk. Find natural colors. You naturally beautiful. Enhance natural. I don't like that setup. We have to do it again. In a series of very unfortunate events and my bad luck, the construction workers down the road from my house have hit something, and now the power is all out of my house. So I have 2 lights that are on batteries, so we are good there. But I have 1 light that is on the power cord, so we are not good there. So the lighting is now going to be ruined. But we are just going to make it work because I want to do this video. People are so inconvenient when Pilof wants to film. I'm not amused. Okay, so where were we? I was filming something and then the power went out. Are we still up to the eye chalk section? Gosh diggity dang, Pilof, get it together. Hello and welcome to Makeups. First step, concealer. Concealer covers sin. Pilof has lots of sin. And then the fun part, because it is all about comedic timing, I do have all of the pink on my face right now before I do the next clip. So that means that you get a bit of behind the scenes for this one. Yes! I'm going to get this big fluffy duffy brush, and then I'm just going to really smother Smother the brush. Oh, look at that pigment. Don't worry about the tap tap. We want to make sure that it is all on our eyeballs, eyelids. Don't put makeups in eyeballs. It gets itchy and aggravated and it does not look okay. So I'm just going to close eye and we are just going to pat, 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 pat. And then I'm just going to do cute little swirly motions. I just want to make sure that this is really, really pink, because I naturally want to be flamingo. And then because I've recently become very obsessed with a certain technique, I'm going to get the big, big fluffy duffy brush and I'm going to douse in this again. And then I'm just going to, I'm going to turn it into like a blushy kind of contour kind of situation. It is going to look so cute. Oh, I'm in love with this. Next color. I'm just going to go in with this like cute kind of purpley burgundy kind of shade. This one here. We're going to go in with that, baby cakes. That way we get some definition happening on our eyes, because at the moment we just kind of look like pink blob, which is cute, don't get Pilof wrong, but I want some dimension. I want my cute little bug eyes to be going, Gee! Oh, Pilof, what big eyes you have. Maybe like, the better to see myself with, my dear. Because mirror. And then I want to get a bit of the dark purple, but I'm not going to use too much, just enough, because the purple kind of blends into the pink, so it creates like a really dark pink, but it isn't too much. And then we want to do the under eyes as well. Don't think I did that in the original video, but I'm doing it now because I say so. I'm going to get the dark purple and I'm going to line my waterline, and then I'm really going to buffety it out with some pinks. Buffy the Vampire Slayer, this bad boy out. Except Buffy would never be brave enough to wear this. She's brave enough to stab the hearts of the vampires, but is not brave enough to wear a makeup look like this. Sarah Michelle Gellar, what is that? I'm just going to get a cute little amount of my brow product, and I'm just going to make my brows nice and fluffy, and then just a cute little spiky, so that they are nice, fluffy, duffy, like feathers of a flamingo. And 3, 2, I naturally want to be flamingo. I do not like that. I do not find that funny. I naturally want to be flamingo. Oh, amazing! That looks so good! The next line by my recollection is add glitter. So before I added the glitter, I did the world's worst cock crease. Like a little half, it was terrible. I didn't have a proper brush. I just kind of went for it, and it was a choice. I'm going to look down upon my enemies. I'm going to do quick little dab motions and then kind of a drag motion until I get the shape that I like, and then hope that left eye isn't being a pesky little baby cakes and make her line up and match to absolute perfection. I want people to look at this cock crease and be like, oh diggity damn, that is crisp like a chip. Oh, she is looking good. Yes! Pilof is amazing. Pilof is amazing. Pilof is amazing. Pilof is amazing. I'm just going to put some shimmer shades over the top of it. That way I have a good base for some of the glitter that I have. I no longer have the glitter that I originally had, but this is still going to be good. I'm pretty sure the reason why I no longer have that glitter is I originally stole it from my sister. I'm pretty sure I was never really subtle about the fact that I stole your makeup sometimes though. So really, who's to blame? I have 2 of the same thing. One is crusty, one is not. That looks crusty. If both are crusty, I'm going to cry. Oh no, this one is not. Zoom into face. 3, 2. Add glitter. 3, 2. Enemies are blinded by your beauty and in the sun because of shiny. It has almost been 2 years, but I have a lot of this committed to memory. It's hard to forget your first viral video. So humble. I'm just going to get this beautiful palette, which has a pink highlighter in it. Oh, getting a bit zesty. And then I'm going to zoom in on my face, and then I'm going to say the magic lines. Which way is it on the brush? Highlight important sections. These scenes were always the tricky ones to film because you have to do a timer and hope that you have the timer correct, otherwise it just feels kind of out of sync. So, let us hope that I'm going to do this one correctly. I always screw it up the first few tries. Resist urge to highlight entire face. Ooh, I think that one was almost on the spot. Yes! Pilof is amazing. Pilof is incredible. Okay, so the way that I now do eyeliner is not specifically like that, but kind of like that. I still wing it, but I just flick, drag, and hope for best. So there's a little bit more finesse to the flickage, yes? So I'm going to go in the outer corner, and I'm going to flick, and then I'm going to drag, and I'm going to hope that it comes together, okay? Sometimes it does not. Okay, so we're going to flick. A 3, a 2. Whoosh! sharp. Okay, so now that the brush is dry and I'm not going to ruin any of this, I can make it look like I'm putting on some eyeliner, even though I'm not. Cute little cheeky secret. 3, 2, 1. Take ink to eyelid. So now all I have to do is fill this in, make her look crisp, make left eye match oops, and then as soon as that is done, I can film the next section, which is just to stare into the camera and tell people to wing it like everything in their life. Some people felt called out. I was not calling out anyone except for myself. Left eye, baby cakes, you mess this one up for me. I'm carving you out of my face with a butter knife. A few hours later, my electricity is back on, so Pilof is very happy at the moment. 3, 2, wing it like everything in your life. Perfect. I look sassy. I love it. The next section that I say in this video is time for torture. And then I go, So we are going to get our guillotine. And then we are going to look at it in terror. This is where things get a little bit scary because I put my lashes into the guillotine. Don't press down yet. Go close and then just make a sound as I push. Okay. 3, 2, Then we are going to get our mascara. We are just going to do a cute little coating. Eye feathers. There's a lot of juggling with this video, and Pilof is not known for juggling. That looks good. Ooh. Wait impatiently. And then a zoom in of me blowing this. Why did I put this on? On camera. 3, 2. I don't understand. Okay, I don't know if that is going to be on properly. This was a risk. I'm not happy with the risk. The glue feels okay though. So maybe this is the trick. Put the eye feather on whilst filming TikToks. Because this feels quite secure. That went on. What? Okay, now that that is on, we put in a bit of a funny moment and we say it's stuck with our eye kind of like closed and looking quite painful, but it's not actually stuck. Bamboozled by the Pilof. Is stuck. Eye feathers are now on. We are looking fluttery freaking perfect. This is oh, she's looking so good! The contour is essentially all the pink that I have on my face. So I do not actually want to contour, but I want to look as if I am contouring. She's a bit of a white lie, but I have told so many in this little video anyway. So what's another one? Convince the world you've seen the sun at least once in your lifetime. Highlight again. So now we just have to go on with the lipstick. So the one that I actually used in the video is this Chi Sex Bomb. Sex bomb, sex bomb, you're my sex bomb. I just realized how long I've had this lipstick and that is disgusting. So I will put it on my lips one last time and then I will toss it. 3, 2, hands lifts. I can tell that this lipstick is very, very old. Oh, she's looking sassy and saucy and a little bit bacteria-y. But that's what you get for keeping a lipstick for way too long, Pilof. You are done. So don't forget to look sexy. And remember what your mother always say. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel. I want to see how the end looks. In your lifetime. Highlight again. Hands lifts. You are done. So don't forget to look sexy. And remember what your mother always say. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel. And just like that, we are done. That is it. The TikTok is done. The TikTok is made. So please, sit back and enjoy the Naturally Want to Be Flamingo Welcome to Makeups Part 1, the video that made all of this possible. Reprisal! Hello. And welcome to Makeups. First step, concealer. Concealer covers sin. Pilof has lots of sin. Then find eye chalk. Find natural colors. You're naturally beautiful. Enhance natural. I naturally want to be a flamingo. Then blend like it is Olympic event. Add glitter. Enemies are blinded by your beauty and in the sun because of shiny. Highlight important sections. Resist urge to highlight entire face. Take ink to eyelid. Wing it like everything in your life. Time for torture. Eye feathers. Ooh. Wait impatiently. I don't understand. Is stuck. Convince the world you've seen the sun at least once in your lifetime. Highlight again. Hands lifts. You are done. Sexy. And remember what your mother always say. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel. How did that look? Did you enjoy that? Do you like that? Are you just, I'm so happy with how that turned out. I'm so happy because like one, the makeups used to be a good like 5, now we are at a good 10. This looks so good! Video itself just like good cuts, good comedic timing, good job Pilof. As a baby cakes we are getting elevated. We are just elevating ourselves, we are just getting better at our craft and there is nothing that can stop me, fight me. I dare you. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson cannot take me down from this pedestal, even if he breaks it down with his big fists. I feel immortal. I feel immortal. But with the TikTok now done, with the makeups on, and because Pilof is a legitimate beauty goddess on YouTube, there is only one thing left to do, and that is a slow moves. Boom! Oh, it's been such a long time since I've done sexy slow-mos. And you know what? I still have it. I still have it. I still have it. But the sexy slow-mo's now done. That is it for our cute little trip down memory lane adventure. And I just hope that you enjoyed yourself, because I did. I'm happy. I'm so happy to be back for this one-time show. And it is just, it's giving me all the happy kind of emotions. It's giving me all the positive kind of vibes. And I'm really vibing it. I vibe the vibe. But please let me know in the comments what you think of the TikTok. If you prefer the old one, if you prefer the new one, how you think the makeup compares to the first one. Just give me all of the feedback, because Pilof, she still wants to learn. She's an immortal being. She's a makeup's goddess, but that does not mean that there is not still a teeny tiny itty bitty room for improvement, yes? But unfortunately, that does mean that I do have to say farewell. The goodbyes always make me so sad. Before I go, I do need for every single one of you to know something incredibly important. So we're going to have another cute little sexy slow-mo to have a real intimate moment. Just so that I can tell you this really important bit of information. And that is that you are perfect in every single shape, way, and form. You are immaculate, you are magnificent, and you are just beautiful. There are just so many good words in the world, but none of them truly describe the incredibleness that is you. And Pilof's life has been forever changed by every single one of you. You have given me hope. You have given me determination, motivation, and a bright spark in every single one of my days. And you give me something to look forward to. And there's not enough words in the world to really explain to you how grateful and appreciative I am and how much love I have for you. But in saying that, Pilof, she is one of the lucky ones. Pilof knows this bright spark. Pilof knows this hope that you give the world. But those people that are jealous of you or are just plain ignorant do not know this. Their lives have no meaning. Their lives are doo-doo. Their lives are inconvenient. Why do they even bother kinds of lives? So you need to do Pilof one big favor. And that is to go out into the world and show them your perfection. Show them how beautiful you are, how magnificent you are. Give their lives meaning. And while you're out there, don't forget what did her mother always say. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel.